My sandwich! No! That's my sandwich! I get it! I get it! It's pulling me up! It's pulling me up!
This sandwich is heavier than I thought it was! That's a good sandwich!
I'm in the attic! I want my sandwich back!
I don't even have your sandwich!
I see it in your hand!
It's in your ear! In your ear! Ah! Stay still!
Ah! Don't mess up my hair! It's looking on point today!
Where is it? I don't see it! There it is!
What is oh no! No, don't do that! No, what are you doing? You're crazy!
I'm gonna pull that tooth!
No!
I don't know why you're making this so difficult. Just work with me, buddy.
Should I be holding this right now?
You should probably drop it on the ground now. If I drop it, it's gonna catch a house on fire.
It's gonna blow your hand off if you don't drop it! Drop it! I can't!
What was that?
Hey, Mike!
I think something went in my ear.
There's a spider in your ear!
I can't hear. I can't hear you.
A spider crawling in your ear! Crawling in your ear!
Can you try to get it out? I can't hear you. Please help me.
Wait, I see it! I see it! The legs are poking out of your ear!
Just grab it, please. Go.
Okay. I just can't get a grip on it! The spider won't come out all the way!
I can feel it inside of my head.
Here! Take that! Take that! Give it to me! You deserve this! Catch warts, Mike! Catch warts! Just a present from your brother!
I'm gonna grind those warts off with this grinder. Stay still, Jesse. You deserve this, huh? You just cut your finger off. I love it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got all 10 of them. Check yours.
1, 2.
You ready?
Make sure you do it right this time.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let me get everything lined up perfectly. Right there. Okay, that looks about it. Okay, you ready?